so we have Tide. Tide, what's it called? Simply Clean and Fresh. Does it have bleach in it?
Then we have some Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue. Okay.
Then we have a spoon.
Spoon.
Then we have a container. Any container works when you're making slime.
It doesn't have to be a metal container?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Now we're going to put our glue in. As much as you want, really. I'm just going to make a little one.
Does it... Okay, so there's not like a ratio of this and that?
So there's the
Yeah,
glue
we
in
got
there.
some puddle of glue.
And we're going to add the Tide that we put in the little measuring cup.
How much Tide is that?
Well, you just want to add as much until it gets the consistency that you want it to be.
Okay.
So this is not the consistency that I want it to be, obviously. So I'm going to pick it up with a spoon.
Okay.
I already can tell
It's
this.
like
No, I'm not going to try to pick it up. It smells
It
like...
smells like laundry soap.
Here, Willow in the back. See, that is not right.
Yeah. That's still glue.
I'm going to put some more in.
You're just eyeballing it.
You need a better consistency for slime.
I thought you had to use contact solution.
That is called contact solution slime.
Oh.
This is detergent slime.
Detergent slime. Okay, there's different types of slime.
Yes. So I'm just going to add a little bit more.
Okay.
But you never want to over-activate it, because this is activated.
What happens if you put too much dish soap or laundry soap?
It's not really slime.
Oh, turn it into dish laundry soap something?
That was basically just like glue. It's getting really hard. So now we're just going to knead it. But you want to keep this out in case you need to add more Tide.
Do you ever add more glue?
Not unless you overactivate it. If you overactivate it, then you need more glue. This one actually like really good.
Would you, does it get hot when you activate it?
Hot?
Yeah, I mean, like...
Okay, this definitely needs more Tide. It's way stickier than I thought it would be.
No, you're gonna make a big mess of Tide everywhere.
No, I'm not. What a mess. What a... I hear Lolo... Oh
She's
my god,
fine.
you can see where she is.
She's fine. She's having fun.
Oh, this is so fluffy. Let's add some shaving cream and make fluffy slime. But I'm gonna get this so it's
Can
not
you
that
add shaving cream?
Yeah, it makes fluffy slime. Kelly gave me her shaving cream. She used to shave her legs.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, so see? It's already getting kind of better.
It's like it's turning into goop.
Goop? What do you mean a goop?
I don't know, it's like
I'm
a
gonna get that
pile
extra
of goop. Is that what slime is?
Yes.
See, when I was growing up, slime was something different.
What was slime?
It was something you got covered with. You don't want to be covered with it.
In Nickelodeon? Like Nickelodeon
Yeah.
slime? Nickelodeon. Okay, sorry guys. We need to handle it.
So, the baby got off the rug. See, now she's not happy. See, you pissed off the baby. Look, she's like, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? I'm gonna wait for you to turn your back and then crawl.
That's what shaving cream looks like when it's dry.
Gross.
Nasty.
Yeah, throw it on the ground. There you go.
No, we're just gonna add a little bit. Because I don't like too much shaving cream. Really.
That's like weird milk. That's not shaving cream.
Ooh, yes this is. This is shaving cream. Okay. Shaving cream is so messy. I swear. See how it just like made my slime automatically bigger?
Yeah.
My hands are so slippery. I can really play with it.
More activator.
Now look at this beautiful slime. Ooh, it's not a thing sticky. Let's see how fast it drops. On Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4.
See, that's terrible slime.
That is not.
You made goop.
Is this goop?
But it's like goop. I would call that goop.
But this is not goop. This is slime. Look where she is.
She's fine.
In the kitchen.
Throw it at the wall.
She's in the kitchen.
Throw it at the wall. Let's see if it sticks to the wall.
No.
Yeah, throw it to the wall.
Here, we'll just see if it's. It's too sticky. It'll get stuck to the wall.
Let me see it. Covering the phone. Let me see it.
No, you don't know how to play with the slime.
Oh my god, this is so gross. That was so gross.
Don't
Give it
touch
back
You're
to
too
me.
scared to touch it.
Give it. No, it's good. I didn't know that's what it felt like.
Look at my face.
Let me see it. You've made goop. You made a big pile of goop.
This isn't goop.
Let me see it.
No.
I'm gonna throw it out the wall.
No!
Yes!
If you throw it at the wall, you're ruining
We're
my
gonna
slime.
see if it's gonna stick to the wall.
No! Fine, I'm gonna throw it here.
That's not gonna work. See, it just bounced. You didn't throw it hard enough.
You're not throwing it at
Give
the
it to
wall.
me.
No!
Yes.
Because you're gonna ruin their
No,
wall.
I'm
and
not.
they're
I'm
blame
not
on
gonna
me
ruin it.
because I'm the one
Okay,
who made
give
the
me
slime.
half of it. Give me half of it. Can you do
No,
that?
I'm giving you the tiniest bit.
Okay, give me the tiniest bit of slime. You're
If you
good.
ruin their wall,
It's slime. You can't. It's soap and laundry detergent and sour cream, whipped cream. I don't know what is that called? Shaving cream. This goop has made a big mess in my hand. It turned into a spider web.
Okay.
I cannot handle this. Okay. Say thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for